But if you guys are weed smokers, you cannot smoke weed in the office. So you're here because you're trying to decide whether to open a studio in a warehouse or office building. Today I'm going to give you 3 pros and 3 cons to opening a studio in an office building. Let's go. Let's take a look at some of the pros first, okay? Pro number 1, when your guests pull up and they see a nice, beautiful office space, you're going to gain instant credibility. Trust me, it looks very professional. You're going to get a lot of credit off of that, and it's going to go a long way. Pro number 2, if you're in an office building, your chances of getting burglarized go down dramatically. All right? Especially if you had a warehouse. Warehouses get robbed all the time, so security, you're not getting robbed. That's a great pro to have right there. Pro number 3, if you're in an office building and it has a lot of traffic going on, your studio is promoting itself. All you have to do is pop that door open, play some soft music, and before you know it, people are just poking their heads in. You talk to them and you gain clients just like that. Trust me, I got 3 of them right now. All right, y'all, now it's time for the cons. All right, so thinking about it financially, right? If you're trying to decide between opening a warehouse or office space, the office space is going to be significantly more expensive. All right, so if you're trying to open up a studio and you're on a budget, you might want to go and look at some of the warehouses because it's not cheap to get in here. Con number 2. So yes, you're in an office building, it's safe and secure and everything, but you got to think you're sharing this building with multiple different businesses, and they might not approve of some of the noise that's coming out of your office. They're gonna call it noise. You're gonna call it some tight go-go or some tight hip-hop. You're gonna call it whatever. It's great music we're making, but some of these businesses, they're not gonna like it too much. And trust me, you're gonna get a lot of complaints to the management, and if you keep on getting complaints, you might get shut down. Just keep that in mind. All right, y'all, con number 3, all right? This is going to be a huge one to you guys, a lot of you guys out there, right? I didn't think it was going to be a big deal for me, but it's actually kind of turned out to be a little bit of a big deal, all right? So I didn't think it would bother me, right? But if you guys are weed smokers, you cannot smoke weed in the office. You just can't. You got to think about my building, right? We have human resources, we have a law firm, we have doctors, and don't forget the management office. We even have a church down the hallway. So if these people walk into their building, their professional building, and they're all smelling weed, guess what happens? They start making complaints, and before you know it, they try to shut you down. Now this happens every day on a daily basis. People walk through that door, and they're rolling a blunt as soon as they walk through the door. You know what I got to tell them? Yo, put it away. All right, go outside and do it. Put it away. But they're going to look at you like the Grinch who stole Christmas. And then you're going to look at them like the nigga that's trying to put your business under, right? And then you both looking at each other and it's all tight, and then the whole vibe is just dead. So that being said, you just can't have that in this type of office. Here, we just tell them just to leave it in the car. Don't even take it out of your pockets. I don't care about what you got. Just keep it all outside. But people are going to test you over and over again. It's a never-ending battle and a huge headache. So keep that in mind for you weed smokers out there. All right, y'all, that's 3 pros and 3 cons to opening a studio in an office building. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Follow, subscribe, like, all that good stuff. We're going to be teaching you guys a lot of studio etiquette and a lot of just a lot of good stuff you guys need to know before you go ahead and open up your music studios. So catch us next time, and I'll catch you next time. Operation Room Studios, and we out.